friends, Catherine here. I'm going to be showing you what I am painting on the right shoe of this set of shoes today. I did a flower yesterday, and if you haven't already watched that video, you might want to go back and see it. This turned out a lovely painty flower. I really like it a lot. But we're going to be painting something on the other shoe today. So I think I need to probably actually rinse out my brush. Let me grab something. Rinse it out with. Go. Yeah, that was probably a good idea. That turns out pretty red. Probably a good idea to rinse it out. That's okay. There we go. All nice and clean. And now we're ready to paint our right shoe. Let's start by laying down a layer of yellow, I think. Just some yellow like this. A sort of roundish blob, and then another sort of roundish blob, and then another bigger but still sort of roundish blob. There we go. I didn't do anything like treat these shoes with gesso first, which maybe would have been a good idea, but maybe not, considering that I'm going to be wearing them. I don't know. Let me know what you think, whether or not I should have treated these with gesso before I started working on it. There we go. So right, and then let's just put some orange down the center and over the head, and then sort of around there. And grab a little bit more orange and drag it across the body. Go, and then we're going to need some black. So let's grab some black, give it a good shake. And then you can probably already tell she's taking shape. She is going to be a honeybee. Give her some nice, great big black eyes. And black all the way around the back there, and just a bit like that. And in between there, and right along her hind end. There we go. Okay, and then maybe some legs. If I can get this brush to come down to a fine enough point and put some legs on. Go, and then some really long back legs. And actually, there's a thought. We might come back in after this black. Let's rinse our brush out again in that case. Come in after this black and grab up some more orange and put a dot of orange on each of those back legs. Haha! Now she's got some full pollen baskets. There we go. Okay. And then rinse out one last time. And grab some white. Just a little bit. And then dab it off onto the brush and then off again, and then right from behind her head, put one wing and two wings. And then one wing. Oop, wrong direction. Oops, there we go. One wing and 2 wings. And there we have it. One honeybee. Maybe round her up a little bit more back here. Then grab a little bit of white and put some white dots in her eyes. There we go. She's looking cute. And now we have a matching pair of shoes, a flower and a bee. What do you think? You can leave a comment down below to let me know your opinion of how these turned out. I am actually very fond of them, so I'm going to leave them a moment to dry, and then I'm going to never wet them, and then they're going to be my new pair of kicks. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to watch more things that I make, subscribe to my channel. Remember to subscribe, because I have to remember to tell you, which is why I say remember to subscribe. And I will see you guys all later. Bye!